Speaker, in fact, everyone in this chamber believes that President Mahama has made progress on the economy. Mr. Speaker, even our colleagues opposite us, deep in their heart, knows that Ghana is making progress. Right, Honorable Speaker? Right, Honorable Speaker, we have been prudent and will continue to be prudent. Mr. Speaker, I heard my colleague say that a prudent government is planning to buy a presidential jet. But Mr. Speaker, the fact remains that it is better to buy than to rent, and that the cost of buying is equivalent of 2 years of renting aircraft by the previous administration. Mr. Speaker, the fact is there for all of us to see. The amount of money they spent on renting aircraft for 2 years is equivalent to the price of a new aircraft. And so who is prudent? Mr. Speaker, the cost of the cathedral borehole is more than enough to buy an aircraft. Right, Honorable Speaker? So President Mahama is prudent. Mr. Speaker, let me say that